Right here. I'm going to put this in here. It's a big airplane. Can you take that out to Daddy and help with moving? You're such a good helper. Let's open the door. You're such a good helper, honey.
Look at that face. Such a happy boy. Thank you. Look, I'm going to put it right here in the house. Alright, let's go back inside and get some more stuff. Out of my way, Mommy. I'm trying to work here.
Sorry. Uh-oh, did I make you crash? Good job, man. What a good helper. Good boy to get all of these books and to put them in